In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play YouTube videos in the background using Brave on your phone. First, open the Brave browser and navigate to the video you want to watch, for example on YouTube. Make sure the video page is fully loaded so the controls and menu options are available. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the corner to open Brave's options. From there, go into Settings, then Site Settings. This is where Brave keeps controls that affect how individual sites behave on your device. Look for an option labeled Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site and enable it for the site you're using. Turning this on tells the site to load as if you're on a computer, which often allows audio to continue when you leave the browser. This is the key that helps background playback work reliably. Head back to your video and start playing it. While it's playing, tap the three-dot menu again and choose Background Play. This setting lets the audio keep going even if you switch apps or turn your screen off so you can listen to music, podcasts, or long videos without keeping the browser open in front of you. Now minimize the browser or go to your home screen. If the video pauses when you leave the app, don't worry. Simply reopen Brave and press play again on the video. Once it's running, you can usually control playback from your device's media controls in the notification shade or on your lock screen. Use those controls to play or pause and adjust the volume without reopening the browser. If you want to return to normal viewing later, just come back to Brave and continue watching in the tab as usual. And if you prefer the mobile version of the site again, go back into the same site settings and turn off Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site for that site. The exact wording of these options can vary slightly depending on your device and Brave version, but the process is the same. Open the site, enable the desktop view, start the video, switch on background play, and then minimize the app. That's all you need to do. With these settings, you can listen to your favorite videos while multitasking, studying, or keeping your screen off to save battery. Thanks for watching, and try it out the next time you want to keep the audio going while you use your phone for something else.